In today's video, I'll show you how to add a portfolio to your LinkedIn profile step by step so you can showcase your work professionally. If you want recruiters or clients to see your projects, samples, or achievements, adding a portfolio to LinkedIn is a great idea. You don't need any technical skills to do this. First, log into your LinkedIn account and go to your profile. Once your profile opens, click the pencil or edit icon near the top of the page. Scroll down to the Featured section. If you don't see it, click Add Profile section, then choose Featured and select Add Featured. Now you'll see different options. To add your portfolio, you can choose Link, Media, or Document. Select Link if your portfolio is hosted on a website like Behance, Dribbble, Google Drive, or your personal website. Select Media or Document if you want to upload PDFs, images, or presentations directly. After choosing the option, upload your file or paste the portfolio link. Add a title and short description so visitors understand what the portfolio is about. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your portfolio will now appear in the Featured section of your profile and be visible to anyone who visits it. You can also add portfolio links under Experience or Projects by editing those sections and attaching links or files related to your work. And that's how you add a portfolio to your LinkedIn profile. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.